At Stryker Neurovascular, we make products to treat stroke patients. My role in the company is as a line support engineer. My job is to keep scrap levels and machine downtime low through innovative projects and problem solving. I chose engineering because I loved any sort of puzzle or logic game when I was younger. I wanted a job where you knew an answer existed, you just had to figure it out. That's what engineering and problem solving is for me. I also love working on teams and getting to be creative with my ideas. There's no such thing as a typical day in manufacturing. One day you could be working on manufacturing loss reports and looking for issues with scrap, and the next you could be working on reacting to critical equipment that has gone down. Every day is very different and anything could happen. I'm only a couple of months into the job, but already I've gotten involved in some really cool projects. One of them is to reduce complaints levels for friction. An aspect of this was helping to design a fixture which will completely automate a process step using a vision system. I got to visit the vendor site and see the early stages of the design and give feedback directly to the vendors. For someone thinking of a career in engineering, I would say engineering is a really broad term. There are so many different jobs that you can have with a degree that you're almost guaranteed to find one that suits you. Hi, my name is Hannah and I've been working in the medtech industry for just over 2 years.